few years ago, we revolutionized the way people perceive the toilet with a new generation of shower toilets. The concept that combined the features of a smart toilet with a minimalist, intuitive and compact design has changed personal hygiene routines forever. With InWash, the hygiene revolution had started, but now we go one step further. The new InWash InTank integrates the cistern into the toilet pan itself, offering an all-in-one solution that optimizes space and allows for an easier installation and maintenance. All of these features combine with the latest technology to guarantee maximum comfort and hygiene.
InWash InTank is an example of the perfect combination between technology, design and materials that has always defined Rocker. The second generation of our InTank technology integrates the water tank into the bowl itself, which means that no exposed or built-in tank is required for flushing. By doing so, both the floor-standing and the wall-hung versions save space between 10 and 20 centimeters compared to other models. The integration of the tank into the bowl itself not only reduces the visual impact of the close-coupled system or the masonry work required for built-in tanks, but also avoids possible maintenance work behind the wall and minimizes noise in adjoining rooms. The flush can be activated from the remote control holder, either using 4.5 or only 3 liters of water. Quantities that guarantee water saving, making InWash InTank a very sustainable product. The full flush can also be activated from the side panel of the toilet, which guarantees its operation even without electrical power. Thanks to the soft air technology, the water is propelled in a controlled manner to ensure an effective and silent flush. The water then flows through the rimless vortex system, forming a swirling flow on the bowl's surface that was specially designed with the most advanced engineering tools to ensure optimum cleaning with minimum water consumption. In addition to this, the bowl does not have a rim nor hidden areas where dirt can build up, allowing for easy cleaning. But that's not all. The inner surface of the bowl incorporates the new Supra Glaze enamel exclusive to Rocker, which prevents the buildup of dirt and helps in the easy swirling of the water, while also increasing the dirt-carrying capacity of the water. The exclusive composition of Supra Glaze enamel makes the surface smoother and easier to clean, while maintaining the same durability, resistance and hygiene features of Rocker's conventional enamel. These are the features that make InWash InTank an innovative and unique solution. Furthermore, the new Rocker Smart Toilet continues to offer all the advantages of the InWash range for a comfortable, intimate hygiene. This range, unique on the market, offers solutions for all installation systems and is suitable for all types of projects. This is InWash InTank, the very best of our InWash technology with adjustable washing and drying functions, a self-cleaning nozzle before and after each use, a motion sensor for function activation, as well as night light and remote control. Now available with an integrated water tank for easier installation and space saving of up to 20 centimeters. This solution also comes with the new Supra Glaze enamel for a cleaner inner surface and integrates Rocker's new rimless vortex technology for a more efficient flushing with the minimum water consumption, which also contributes to a more sustainable world. Join the hygiene revolution with InWash InTank, available in thousands of bathrooms around the world and in Rocker stores.